Namaste and welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today we are cooking something tangy, spicy, sweet and straight up irresistible. The one and only Chatpati Kacche Aam ki Sabzi or raw mango curry that hits every taste bud like a Bollywood dance number. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Fire up your stove and give that raw mango a nice chop. Yep, right on direct flame. Also throw in one big all onion, a jalapeno, a few garlic cloves and green chilies as spicy as you can handle. We are slow roasting these babies over a low flame. Smoky flavor is the secret weapon here. Once everything is roasted to a beautiful char, dunk it all in a bowl of water. Let them relax. They have been through fire, literally. Let them chill for a few minutes. While our roasted gang is soaking, let's dry roast a few whole red chilies and about 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. No oil needed, just a dry heart and a little TLC. Toast till aromatic. Smell like grandma's kitchen. Transfer your roasted chilies and coriander seeds into a mortar and pestle, or as I like to call, the OG food processor. Unless your mortar is tiny like mine, in that case, keep watching. Meanwhile, peel that onion and chop into small pieces. Do the same with garlic, jalapeno and green chilies. As for mango, peel it and toss it straight into about 2 cups of water. Now here comes the fun part. Squeeze out all that pulp from the mango right into the water. Keep the seed in too. It still got flavor. Okay, real talk. As I knew my mortar and pestle are too small for this job, I'm done pretending. Time to level up. Let's dump everything into the food processor. A few pulses later, done. Smooth paste. We are winning. Now heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Let it simmer. Mustard oil means business. Drop in 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, and a handful of curry leaves. Let them sizzle and dance. Time to bring in that onion chili garlic paste we just made. Stir it on medium heat for a few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let it all cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir and wipe. Meanwhile, chop up some fresh coriander leaves. Now, pour in the mango pulp water mix. Oh, look at that. We are going from earthy to tangy real fast. Let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery. Yep, we are making it sweet and sour, baby. Let it cook until the gravy thickens just a bit. Season with salt to taste. And now add your chopped coriander. Mix it all in and turn off the gas. Let's transfer this beauty into a serving dish. Look at that color. Garnish it with some more fresh coriander, because why not? Today I am having this with pita bread and a bowl of yogurt, sprinkled with roasted cumin powder and a pinch of black salt. Simple, refreshing and perfect combo. Here's our final plate: the yogurt, the bread and our spicy, tangy, sweet Chatpati mango curry. Looking like a 5-star meal, but made with pure desi swag. Now, moment of truth.
Okay, moment of truth. Let's see.
Yum, this is magic. Smoky, tangy, sweet, spicy, all in one spoonful. You have to try this. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Robby Hobby and drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Until then, keep cooking, keep vibing and stay chatpata.